Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set 0.5-inch margins in Google Docs. So very easily you can set this margin 0.5. So firstly need to click on File and now Page Setup. You see here last second option Page Setup. So just click on it. And now here you see this margin. So firstly you need to in Chrome browser into search inch to cm, and here need to type this 0.5 inch, and so you see here 0.2 margin inch. So just search it. So centimeter is 1.27 centimeter. So just copy it and paste here in top, bottom, left and right. Just paste this. This is easy way to convert this inch to centimeter. So paste this centimeter and click on set as default and click on OK. So very easily you can set margins 0.5 in Google Docs. So thanks for watching.